What is an audit and why is it needed? Decentralized applications, be it DeFi, blockchain projects or smart contracts, due to their decentralized nature and the regulator lack, have drawbacks that allow freezing part of users' or developers' funds inside the blockchain without the recovery possibility. This can be compared to a bank transaction sent to the wrong account. But in a bank case, you know for sure that by calling the bank, you can correct the situation. Also, banks guarantee their applications' security, minimizing the personal finances loss possibility. In the smart contracts and blockchain applications case, there is no such central regulator. Therefore, the contract published on the blockchain network starts working independently. Therefore, it is extremely important to know that the contract code is error-free and will not allow your funds to disappear without a trace. This is what is verified during the audit. Also, the contract creators may not be honest when designing it. By adding an action code that will allow them to steal user funds outside the algorithm, you can call the audit an expert assessment from the outside. Concerning smart contracts, DeFi applications and blockchain projects, an audit is a search for vulnerabilities to prevent them, a search for random logical errors, a human factor, as well as a search for malicious inclusions in the code that allow developers to abuse their position and steal user funds. An audit can be ordered both by a smart contracts competent developer or other blockchain applications to ensure that the contract is safe for use, and a smart investor who needs his investment security, especially in such an unstable industry as cryptocurrencies. The audit result is a report within which the field experts will describe all the errors and remarks found, and also provide an improvements list that can speed up and reduce the working cost with the contract. Also, the report will answer whether it is safe to work with this contract. The Telescreen team is pleased to offer its services for the smart contracts independent audit and decentralized applications to users and companies. We value our reputation very much, so we can guarantee that the reports signed with our private keys are 100% correct, as well as completely independent. Contracts containing exit scam signs are rejected during the audit process and will never be signed by our private keys. Always check the withdrawal signature in the Telescreen company reports, avoiding forgery by unscrupulous companies. And how to do this, see one of our next videos.